Hey everybody, it's DIY Junkie here. If you've got fruit flies buzzing around your kitchen, you know how incredibly annoying they are. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a magic cocktail that cleared over 100 fruit flies from my kitchen in just 48 hours. This is a simple DIY fix using things you already have in your pantry. Grab a bowl and mix in half a cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a few drops of liquid dishwasher detergent, and half a cup of water. Stir it well until the sugar dissolves. Now, just place it wherever the flies are most active, usually near the kitchen sink or your fruit veggie pantry. Here's why this works so well. Fruit flies are naturally drawn to the scent of fermentation in the vinegar and the sweetness of the sugar. They fly in for a drink, but they never leave. Why? Because the detergent breaks the surface tension of the liquid. Normally, a fly could land on the surface and take off again, but here, they sink and drown instantly the moment they touch down. Check out the results. I left this bowl by my sink for only 2 days, and it caught at least 100 of them. It's cheap, it's non-toxic, and it actually works. If this helped you clear your kitchen, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more home DIY solutions. See you in the next one.